This is a special weather statement, issued at 7:05 p.m. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lane County in western Oregon until 7:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles west of Waldo Lake, or 12 miles east of Oak Ridge, and moving north at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include McCready Springs. In Oregon, this includes State Highway 58 between mile markers 42 and 50. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, and away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is a special weather statement, issued at 2:33 p.m. The National Weather Service in Pendleton, Oregon, has issued a tornado warning for south central Umatilla County in northeastern Oregon, northwestern Grant County in northeastern Oregon, and southeastern Morrow County in northeastern Oregon. This is not a drill. The conditions are expected to last until 2:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Locations impacted include Monument, Ritter, Dale and Kimberly. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, and avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris. This is a special weather statement, issued at 3:42 p.m. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Clatsop County in northwestern Oregon, and southwestern Pacific County in southwestern Washington, until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southwest of Waco, Washington, or 10 miles west of Warrenton, Oregon, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Warrenton and Hammondtown around 4:05 p.m. and Waco around 4:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Seaview and Hammond. In Washington, this includes U.S. Highway 101 between mile markers 11 and 14. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather damage, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Portland, Oregon. If on or near the mouth of the Columbia River, get away from the water and move to safe shelter immediately. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Severe thunderstorms can produce large capsizing waves, even on small bodies of water. Move into dock and seek safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. This is a special weather statement, issued at 2:48 p.m. The National Weather Service in Boise, Idaho, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south-central Malheur County in southeastern Oregon, until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rome Airport, or 17 miles southwest of Rome, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail, and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Burns Junction and Scott Reservoir around 3:10 p.m., Rome, Crooked Creek State Park and Round Mountain around 3:20 p.m., and Oahe Butte, Saddle, Butte Lava Tube and Derrick around 3:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. When safe to do so, please relay storm damage reports to the National Weather Service in Boise, Idaho via local law enforcement, or National Weather Service Boise, Idaho Facebook and Twitter accounts. This is a special weather statement, issued at 2:35 p.m. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Linn County in northwestern Oregon, until 2:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tombstone Summit, or 27 miles east of Sweet Home, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter size. Hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Linn County. This includes the following highways in Oregon: U.S. Highway 20 east of Albany between mile markers 65 and 67, and State Highway 126 from Mackenzie Bridge to the Santiam Highway between mile markers 9 and 11. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is a special weather statement, issued at 5:10 p.m. The National Weather Service in Pendleton, Oregon, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Walla Walla County in southeastern Washington, and south-central Franklin County in south-central Washington, until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Burbank, or 12 miles east of Pasco, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Wallula and Touche. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, and avoid windows.